This is another Dollar Tree haul, and I was able to find a few little bits of Valentine and Easter. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I found. So the first thing that I found is these cracked eggs is what they're calling them. You get 12 in here, and they are just these like little styrofoam eggs. So I guess you can just, I don't know, make your own, do your own kind of design on there, whatever you wanted to do. But anyway, I thought these were really cool, so I did go ahead and grab one package of these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I may just leave them white. I don't know, so we'll see. We'll see what I can do. The next ones that I picked up are, they're craft bunnies. You get 8 in here, and they're the same way. It's just plain white styrofoam. I guess for you to do your own kind of design if you want. I'm not really sure. So, but anyway, I thought these were really cool. And I don't think Dollar Tree has ever done anything like this before. So I went ahead and grabbed a package of those. This other one is a craft bunny, and it's 5 inches. But it's the same way. It's just a plain white styrofoam bunny. So I guess you can do whatever you want to with him. But I thought it was really cool, so I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next things I think are so cool. They are carrot picks, and you get 2 in here. So I thought these were really cool, and they're they're a pretty good size too. So I think these would be really good embellishments in a Easter wreath. So I did go ahead and pick up 2 of those. The next things that are Easter related are these color your own ornament. You get 8 in here, and these do come with the little jute twine string for the hanger if you want to use it. But and they did have carrots, I believe, was the other shape. But I really liked the bunny, so I just grabbed one package of the bunnies. I believe that's all as far as Easter goes. Now, moving on to Valentine stuff, I went ahead and grabbed a couple more rolls of this ribbon. This, I don't know, I think these are so pretty. I got the burlap with the red glitter hearts, and then the red and white, I guess it's like a gingham pattern. But I thought these were really pretty, and I have something in mind to use for these. These are the 5/8 inch by 9 feet. So I did just grab one package each of those. Also, I went ahead and picked up some of the color your own ornaments. And these are, it's showing, this must be like a bonus or something, because it says it's 8 pieces, but there was a 5 there, and they marked the 5 out. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I went ahead and grabbed these with the arrow going through it, which I think is really pretty. And then I also grabbed just the plain hearts. They did have a couple of different ones that had, I believe the word love was burned into it. And then they had another one that was, I think it was like cut out, a bunch of other hearts were cut out into it, if that makes any sense. But anyway, I just wanted the plain wood ones. So I went ahead and grabbed one package of those, and I think that's a really good deal if they're giving you 8 instead of 5. So, let's see. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed some more of this glitter vase filler. You get 110 pieces in here. And I get this every time they have it. Anytime I see the glitter vase filler, I always grab 1 or 2 packages because I like to use this when I'm making my wreaths. So this one has the red, white, and sort of a purpley color in it. So I did grab 2 packages of these. They did have some that were pink and white and red and white. But I don't really have very many glitter balls that are this purple color. So I did go ahead and grab a couple packages of those. Okay, so this isn't necessarily Valentine related, but I guess it could be. but it's these bandanas. Now, these are so cool. I grabbed 5 of these. They are the red and black buffalo plaid bandanas. They are 100% cotton. They had several different designs to choose from, but I just really liked this one, and I have so many ideas of what I could make using these, so I did grab 5 of them just in case I go back and I need more and they don't have them. So hopefully they keep these in stock for a little while. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed 5 of those. I do have quite a bit of ideas to use with these, but maybe I'll bring some of those ideas on a video sometime. Okay, so my future son-in-law is an avid bowler. He loves bowling. He's in a league and all of that good stuff. But when I seen these, I had to get them because I thought of him. And they are these men's socks, and they have bowling pins and bowling balls on them. They are so cute. As soon as I seen them, I thought of him. I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get those for him. So I did go ahead and grab a pair of socks, obviously, but this time it wasn't for me. Let's see. Okay, so I went down the crafting aisle, and the Dollar Tree that I was at, they are redoing their Crafter Square section. So she had fully stocked it and everything, and she was like standing back taking pictures of it, which I guess they have to do, I don't know. But after she was done, I went in there and I found all of these chalk writers. These are all the colors they had. I did grab one of each except for the white, because I do have the white chalk writer, and I love the chalk writer. I just love it. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each color. So this one is the purple one. I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The pink one. The green one. The silver one. The blue one. And the gold one. I really like my chalk writer, so I thought I'd get some more. I think it's really neat that they have different colors that you can get. Okay, so then I decided to go around to the beauty aisle, and I happened to come across this, and I've never seen this before, and I think this is the brand, but I'm not 100% sure. We Live Like This, and it's called Do You with a D-E-W. It says it's refreshing grapefruit body spray. You get 4.05 fluid ounces. And I don't know, this just looks high end. Like, this looks expensive, right? So it drew my attention to it, especially with this gold top. And it does look like it's kind of shimmery in there. I don't know if it is shimmery, like when you spray it on you, if it's shimmery or not. But, and it's grapefruit. And I love anything that's grapefruit smelling. I just love the smell of grapefruit. So I did go ahead and pick this up. So if anybody else has heard of this, is that the brand We Live Like This? Is that the brand? I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to Google it later and find out. But anyway, grabbed one bottle of that. I also picked up the Sassy and Chic eyebrow scissors. It says it's to trim and shape eyebrows. Okay, I've never used anything like this before, and I'm a little bit nervous thinking about using this. I really don't know. I don't know if I know how to use this. I may have to see if there's a YouTube video on how to use this. I don't know. But it does make me a little bit nervous because I don't want to end up with no eyebrows. So if I end up with no eyebrows, y'all will know, because I'll be on here with naked eyebrows. But anyway, I thought I'd try that. The next thing that I found is by Hard Candy. They had some more Hard Candy makeup in. This is the Color Correct Finishing Powder. Sets makeup, blurs flaws, balances, and illuminates skin. And this is in the color Fair to Light. And so I went ahead and grabbed one of these. And I think they had another one that was for darker skin tone. but I did grab the one that's for the Fair to Light. And then they also have these new jelly highlighters. It's jelly highlighter, light and bouncy highlighter, Just Glow, the Glow Dome. So I did grab 2 of these pink ones and then 1 of this darker one. So this one is the in the color bronze. And I think I'm going to be putting this in my beauty giveaway. And then these 2 are rose gold. And I believe I'm going to be keeping one of these for myself and then putting the other one in a giveaway. So there's those. And let's see, the last thing that I have is a book. Now, my Dollar Trees don't usually have a very good selection when it comes to books. And if they do have a lot of books out, they are in such a jumbled up mess that I don't have the patience to dig through them. But this Dollar Tree that I went to, they had an end cap that had books on it, and they were nicely stacked, so I was able to actually look at them. But I did find this book, and it's called The Disasters by PC Cast and Kristen Cast. I am very familiar with PC Cast and Kristen Cast. I love them. They are a mother-daughter writing duo. They live, I believe it's in Oklahoma, and they are the ones who have wrote the series House of Night. Now, if you are into the genre of like fantasy, like with fairies and witches and vampires and werewolves and, you know, all that kind of stuff, then you would like the books that they write, because they're just awesome. They're awesome books. And I knew that they were writing The Disasters, but I have not yet read it. So I'm pretty excited to get to read this. And I'm not 100% sure if this is going to be like a new series or if this is a new series that they are doing. But if you are into that kind of genre of books and you haven't read The House of Night yet, you should totally do it. Totally read it. It's pretty interesting. And I think that they are trying to get a TV show going that's based on the House of Night books, which is pretty exciting. So I can't wait for that to happen. But anyway, thought I'd go ahead and get this. And it does have a sticker on here that says it's from Walmart. Walmart price was $13.98. List price $19.99. So, I mean, that's a pretty good deal. You get it for $1. It's a pretty good deal. So, anyway, I'm excited to get to read that. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!